Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix your 0% clean air problem with your Shark Air Purifier. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be having some problem here with your Shark Air Purifier. Well, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So in this case, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check your sensors. So sometimes the air quality sensor gets stuck or misread here, so that might be why it's currently showing 0% clean air. Just make sure there's no dust or blockage around the sensor area, and also if you can access it safely, gently clean the sensor with a soft brush or cloth. Now, a faulty sensor can also be a deeper issue, but you can sometimes fix it with that quick reboot and a cleaning option here. Now, speaking of reboot here, the next thing that you may want to do is just basically reboot your Shark Air Purifier. So in this case, you want to basically power cycle this. So just unplug your purifier here and wait for about like a 60 seconds or a minute here, and just plug it back in afterwards. Now this resets the internal system and might clear out any glitches or sensor bugs. And next is you may want to clean your filter. Now, after you replace your filter here, the purifier expects you to manually reset the filter life. Now, if you forgot to do that, the system might still think you're using an old dirty filter, which can mess with the air quality reading. So in this case, you want to look for the air filter reset option in the control panel or settings menu, and just follow the steps in your user manual to manually reset the filter life here. But once you've reset it, give it a moment and the reading may correct itself. And finally, this is just the last resort. Now, if none of this actually work, it might be worth the trouble to keep fixing here. So in this case, you may want to replace your air purifier. Now, some of those have recurring issues with sensors or calibration. So at that point, it might be smarter to replace the unit or upgrade to a reliable model here, especially if you're dealing with an indoor allergies or air quality concerns. But if this is frustrating you, you may want to contact customer support first before proceeding, because they can actually provide you with a replacement if you just recently bought it, or a voucher that you could use to get a discount for your next purchase here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.